Looking for the best smartwatch for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 smartwatch that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a smartwatch that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended smartwatch. Number 1 on the list is Samsung Gear S3 Frontier Smartwatch. Versatile smartwatch with GPS, Bluetooth, and fitness tracker functions that works with both iOS and Android mobile devices, plus a long battery life and distinctive styling. It's great for those who want the convenience of smartwatch functionality but prefer a more classic watch face and bezel appearance. This, in fact, could be the best smartwatch for business. This Android and iOS compatible smartwatch stands out for its handsome steel bezel, which you rotate in order to toggle between apps. Some may prefer this more physical interface to the purely touchscreen smartwatches like the Apple Watch, our number 2 pick. The Gear S3 Frontier Smart is also a better choice for those who value traditional watch styling, and it displays a handsome clock face as its default screen. It's IP68 rated for water and dust protection, meaning if a little water gets on it, it should be fine, but it's not meant for prolonged swimming or water sports use. It does come with GPS, a heart rate and steps tracker, and a very clear, high-resolution display screen. The GPS lets you store maps offline as well, a handy feature. Like with the Apple Watch, it has a step counter and heart rate tracking, though it lacks the Apple Watch's heart rhythm 1 lead ECG feature. Where the Gear S3 does win out, however, is in terms of battery life, as its battery lasts up to 3 days on a charge. While this is aimed at adults, it shares many of the same features of the best smartwatch for kids, so if it fits your child, they may as well wear it. Second on the list is Apple Watch Series 4. The best smartwatch for iPhone users. This update of the Apple Watch comes with a 64-bit processor and Apple's proactive health monitor, as well as a wide range of watchOS apps. It's great for iPhone users looking to add health and fitness tracking with a GPS-capable smart wearable. If you need a watch for monitoring your health while you work out on terrain, then check out our best rugged smartwatch. The Apple Watch 4 is the go-to smartwatch for iPhone users. It has the most apps available so far of any smartwatch, and it's also the only smartwatch that's designed specifically and exclusively for pairing with an iOS mobile device. For those looking to use their smartwatch as a fitness tracker, the Apple Watch 4 offers some standout features like the virtual ECG, which claims to be able to spot atrial fibrillation, as well as sending you PDFs that approximate 1 lead of an electrocardiogram. The Apple Watch 4 also has GPS and a sophisticated built-in accelerometer. It supports calling when paired with a phone, or if you pay the significant extra costs of upgrading to the cellular model. It supports text when paired with your mobile device with a voice-to-text feature. The Apple Watch 4 charges fully in about 2 hours with its magnetic charger, but its 18-hour battery life is shorter than that of the Samsung Gear S3. Compare it to the other best Apple Watches on the market. If you're in the market for an Apple Watch, also check out the Apple Watch Series 5 and Apple Watch Series 3. The Series 5 is a sleeker version of the Apple Watch Series 3. To read more about Series 3 and other Apple Watches, click here. The Series 5 won our top vote for the best Apple Watch for women in our review of the best smartwatch for women 2020. Other top picks for women include the Fitbit Versa, the Samsung Gear Sport, and more. Number 3 on the list is Samsung Galaxy Smartwatch. A 46mm bezel with 1.3-inch Gorilla Glass display, the largest on our list, plus extensively tested durability including a 50 meters waterproof rating. It's among the highest performing smartwatches on the market. It's great for those looking for a durable and multifunctional smartwatch to take swimming, hiking, cycling or for daily use. The Samsung Galaxy smartwatch has some of the most impressive specifications of any smartwatch on the market today. It offers the usual features of GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi phone pairing, heart rate and step tracking, plus it lets you take calls via an integrated speaker and microphone, and respond to SMS texts via voice-to-text. As with the Samsung Gear S3, this smartwatch has a markedly different aesthetic than the Apple Watch. For those who prefer a more traditional watch face design, the Samsung may be preferable. It also lets you customize the watch face. The Galaxy smartwatch also stands out for its tested durability claims. It comes with a Gorilla Glass screen for scratch protection and is rated for submersion in water up to 50 meters deep, making it one of the few smartwatches and fitness trackers that are suitable for swimming laps as well as counting your steps. With these features, this smartwatch might replace even your best fitness tracker for good. Another Galaxy smartwatch worth checking out is the Galaxy Watch Active 2. The Galaxy Watch Active 2 is advertised as the smartwatch that tracks your weight and wellness. The Watch Active 2 is designed to keep you motivated. It's light and powerful, and with Active 2's 4G connection to EE and Vodafone, you're free to leave your smartphone at home during walks, jogging, or any outdoor activity like hiking with hiking watches. The Watch Active 2 is water-resistant, offers heart rate tracking and battery life that lasts all day. Number 4 on the list is Garmin Vivoctiv 3 smartwatch. A sports-focused water-resistant smartwatch with preloaded GPS features and up to a 7-day battery life. It's great for long-distance runners and other outdoor enthusiasts, with its Garmin Chroma display promising easy legibility even in direct sunlight. This smartwatch from Garmin, a company perhaps best known for GPS-enabled car navigation devices, makes good use of GPS technology while offering some features that should appeal to more serious workout and fitness enthusiasts. It comes with 15 indoor sports and GPS apps preloaded, and it does the usual heart rate monitoring, but it also shows you heart rate variability, a useful fitness measure in itself, and it claims to be able to estimate VO2 max and fitness age. While the display is easy to read, it may lack some of the aesthetic pizzazz of the Samsung Galaxy Watch, our number 4 pick, or the Apple Watch. While the Garmin Vivoctiv may not have a wide range of supported third-party apps, it does offer Garmin's mobile wallet feature, and it also lets you use the GPS function without needing to be constantly paired with a smartphone. It's compatible with iOS and Android devices for sharing fitness data, playing music, and for notifications of calls and texts. Speaking of Android, read all about the best Android smartwatch and compare them. Number 5 on the list is 321OU smartwatch. One of the least expensive smartwatches on the market, gives you a travel-friendly way of keeping up your fitness tracking, monitoring phone notifications, and even controlling the music on your phone. It's great for travelers and people who want to try out the smartwatch thing without making the commitment to invest in an Apple Watch or Samsung Watch, which can cost up to 10 times more than this 321OU smartwatch. This budget smartwatch is a useful fitness and workout tracking tool and serves as a great starter smartwatch, especially if you're traveling and may not want to be wearing an extra, expensive item. It syncs with most iOS and Android devices over a Bluetooth 3.0 connection, and there's even a model of the 321OU that gives you the option to add a SIM card and use it as a 2.5G Android phone, assuming carrier compatibility. However, it's more limited when it comes to iPhone functions, as unlike other non-Apple brand smartwatches like the Garmin or the Samsung, our number 5 and number 4 picks, respectively, it doesn't support SMS notifications for iPhones. It also requires you to buy a South Dakota card if you want to use functions like sound recording and image viewing. On the plus side, this smartwatch is actually less expensive than some South Dakota cards. Just now is a list of 5 best smartwatch that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.